Hey, it's Wednesday, a little late, but I am here with your Rosita Lace Knitalong. I'm beavering away. I was hoping to say that we were done, but I have this much border left to do. I have done 12 points or 12 repeats of the border edge pattern so far. Um, It's much more important to use my highlighter tape on this project, mostly because the rows are shorter, 17 up to like 25, I believe. But because they're rapidly changing, you just can't get a row in your head and go all the way across. It's not as memorizable as it was before. Remember I told you about the double yarn over, and then you knit front back on the way back? You can see those here, which is kind of cool. I can see them because there's like a little bobble right at the top, which is fun. And they're much bigger holes. It's looking good. These are little heart bits of lay. Oh, here, I need to get the front for you. I keep turning it around the wrong direction. Here is, let's see if I can pull this out so you can see it. There's the point, but at the top of the point are little heart motifs, or at least they look like hearts to me. So it's kind of perfect that we're coming up on Valentine's Day with this little lace design right there. I don't know if you can see that good or not, but there's a heart right there. So I believe the instructions said 18 repeats and I'm on 12, so I have 6 left. I pretty much get 1 done a day. A couple of days I've done 2 when I've been hard at work at it. Fatigue sets in after 1 usually, and I'm ready to move on to a bigger project. And I don't know if I've talked about that before. That's how I keep sane. I always have a small gauge project and a larger gauge project, like a bulky or a worsted weight with a lace. And then, or I change craft altogether. So I go from knitting to crochet, knitting to embroidery, or bobbin lace. And right now, I'm trying to do a little bit of finishing, i.e. repairs, a little bit of bobbin lace, and a little bit of this at the same time. So I'm feeling the pull of other projects against this, which is why I want to get this done, because this could so easily get tossed aside, and would be tossed aside if it weren't for you guys knitting along with me. Okay, that's all I've got to really talk about now. I'm just going to keep working on this. I hope your project is going well. Nobody's made any comments anywhere that I've seen, so let me know if you're working on this. Granted, you can always come back, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know. How is your project going? What project are you working on? Maybe you're not working on this, but you've just popped in to say hello. And yeah, subscribe and like, and I'll see you next Wednesday for another installment, hopefully the finished installment of Rosita. And I'll be here Saturday for it's time to go back to our trip videos, because I stopped before we even left Oslo. So they're sitting then in there all ready to go. I just have to get them edited and uploaded to you. So that should go back into place on Saturdays as well, now that the new year has returned. All right, I'll see you Saturday for a video, Wednesday for Lace Knit Along. Bye.